Simply CNC is proud to announce a collaboration years in the making. Two of North America's leaders in CNC are joining forces to provide the largest selection of advanced machining technology to educators across all of the USA. CANCAM has developed a reputation for designing, building, and supporting quality CNC machines for many years. Simply CNC has been supplying CNC technology to U.S. educators since 2008, and we pride ourselves on providing the highest level of support possible. Now your school can have the best of both worlds. Simply CNC is honored to represent CANCAM machines and have built several exciting machine packages to fit the needs of every school regardless of machine requirements, size of the school, or budget. In addition, Simply CNC continues to be the industry leader in offering ongoing training through our Teachnology program. We now offer educators the widest selection of advanced machining technology in the United States. Contact Steve, Jeremy, or David today and let us help you and your school on your CNC journey.